It's Edward Broski, and I'm asking good questions. So, why are so many people switching from Google Search, which has been their default for, I don't know, decades, over to DuckDuckGo? Well, Google rolled out a search redesign that puts AI overviews above the blue links and makes Gemini 3.5 Flash the default in AI mode. Basically, it's what you're getting 100% of the time when you search now. That same week, shockingly, DuckDuckGo's US installs jumped an average of 18% week over week. At one point, they grew 30.5% in a single day. The iOS app version grew 69.9% week over week, and Apptopia, which is the App Store analytics company, independently confirmed a 29% daily download bump in the United States. DuckDuckGo has a no AI page. It's a URL that just turns off every AI feature with one click. Traffic on that page grew 23% week over week. This is Edwards' URL law. I'm coining it now. The URL that nobody at corporate wants to talk about is the URL customers actually probably want. Google made the change and people uninstalled and used the page with no AI. And that is a remarkably public referendum on your AI choice. Gabriel Weinberg, DuckDuckGo's CEO, said Google is force feeding AI with no way to opt out. So, for many months now, AI in Google Search was a feature that people clicked into, or a tab that they chose, or a card they could scroll past and get to the other stuff. And now it's the default, and the toggle is gone. I have run technology companies for 25 years. If you remove the off switch, you kind of find out how many of your users were tolerating you instead of choosing you. DuckDuckGo pulled more than 110,000 of its own users in 2026, and 93% said they wanted AI out of their search results entirely. Now, admittedly, it was a poll by DuckDuckGo, and people that use DuckDuckGo are a little more safety, kind of anti-establishment conscious, but the boring strategy was always there. Let people opt in and then make the AI version so good that they want it, which does require AI to actually be good at search so that people would want it. The most expensive sales pitch for AI free search came from the company most committed to AI. But when the off switch is the killer feature, what does that say about the on switch? Until next time, keep asking good questions.